Yes, Dragga. So,
Dragga.
look here, girl. Just come now. I rank me a ranking. I mean, I don't have time for the food. You know. Dragga.
What is it?
You have a key for Chanel?
Continue.
Chanel, you can't talk. You can't talk now.
Him have my room key last night and I'm sleeping. Come to the door.
Room to go and get
So just a confess to the key. The key they pan in the table.
Hold on there. So, hold on there. This be confused.
Thanks for the tops.
Hold on there. For my phone I go down. My phone I go dead, guys. We not lie to you. Guys, let me take a thump on the double. So, Dragga, so Chanel, I'm kind of confused. God no, I'm confused bad. I'm confused bad. So, Dragga, who didn't live good yesterday?
Me now have no.
Everybody come together, chat. Remember, say we're on the ranking, guys.
Mom, let me tell you this. You come like TT have stronger feelings for Dragga more than me. I mean, no what in the middle of that. So me say, girl, stop come to me about Dragga every minute. Sometime me dey on my phone call, she'll come to me about Dragga dey on phone with woman, Dragga this and Dragga that. I mean, no care. Me they don't steer.
Thank you for
the friend from my phone, and then every minute she'll come to me about the ratted man. I mean, no want hear nothing about Dragga. Me no want hear nothing about him. So me take up my things them, I'ma come out of the room, and then me say TT go take up your things them and come out of the room, leave him in there alone. So me tell she say I don't want to be in the middle of this saga. It is draining and me can't bother with it. I be a fuck crew now go on with. So look here, I separate myself from Uno and TT you can go and go.
4 more roses, guys, please.
So well and then no, so but if I be a fuck crew now go on with and the man
3 more roses.
You take up your things them or whatever. Why you get up so heavy and strong this morning? So that means say you're alright with TT then they with the man then. So a TT thing then. So Dragga go give you the key then. Dragga say I give you the key.
You know if you come near me, you can go put it on your room.
So Uch Brown in the not text and chat too.
Me no
guys, know. Tip on my side. Thank you, baby. Oh my God, hey, thank you. What's up?
TT.
Ronaldo, big up yourself, baby.
Yeah, take up
big up yourself. Thank you.
Me there with Tajay for years, you know. Me know Tajay a old dog. You come like TT, you know that yet.
Bestie.
Yeah.
Tajay.
Guys.
You have a key here.
Come on, chat. I rank me around, guys. Guys, me have 4,000 odd people over here, so chat that we not get no taps. Guys, double tap my side. Double tap team. Double tap my side.
You can't tap no ya. Can't dog ya. Buckler.
Ain't Tajay.
Guys, we're going to more money gun. Me can't get.
Guys, let me push up my score on my side. Guys, remember, so we're still in the ranking chat. Come on my side, push up the score. What really fun? TT, come here. Jago, you deal with TT, so. Guys, I'm not going to stop in the chat. Guys, help me push up my score on my side.
Somebody can send me one wheel.
So, how I deal with TT, so?
What you say?
A Jago, me ask how I deal with TT, so.
The old dog find a new brownie. I need to mad old TT, but not me.
Who she?
Me used to them things there.
Don't know what? Is she?
I which brownie?
I know she.
Me I wonder what going.
Guys, I'm not going to push up the score my style. Look here, I'm going to let Papa this because I don't see the score, them push up.
I know me.
So, are you a Dragga new girlfriend? I know she.
Dragga
best friend that I know she.
I know she, a Dragga best friend. Look here, stop get your woman in a screen record, load the woman. Me see something. What am I doing?
Girl, I'm her baby father. Stop. Stop that. Stop that.
Me have my baby father.
I know she girl.
Wrong person, TT.
They didn't tell me, say.
Yeah.
You enter there in a room for
No, I know she.
Hey,
girl, move from yourself.
You want the girl baby father beat her up.
The girl of her baby father, TT, a wrong woman here, pan.
But just have baby mama, not.
Come no, my youth. Stay with Chanel out there, so. Bro, TT love fight too much, my youth. I don't not like with TT, you know. Stay out there, so. TT. Bro, me not talk to you, my youth. Me not talk to you, little girl. So me not talk to you, my. She not put her hand on you, so where you go put your hand on her for? Go on out there, so. Go on the other side. Me not give a fuck boy you at my girl. If you put your hand back on somebody again, me go lick you in your face and it not go good. Out there, up on the veranda. So, walk quick. Walk quick. Me a come. Cause you don't get stuff on phone. Chanel, hear me I say. The best thing you do, go on. Get to know some of them and go on. Go on, because it's a target now gonna make life better for me. Go on, you're your baby mother, your baby father. Take your baby father and go on, brother. Take your baby father, go on. I'm serious. Brother, you and your baby mother come, go on. Dragga, you and your baby mother, go on. Get your baby mother and go on, my youth. Because first thing you want to put blood clot blame for me. You see me about prank. Better get your baby mother and go on, my youth. Connect your this. Maggie woman them nothing. You there people them here that make up a bag of blood clot nice. Brother, lift up and left. Yo, me make my kids then come up here. Me done. I wonder you tell left from roll me. I wonder you tell left from roll me. I style him I use. A style him I use. I want him left front round me. I don't want him round me. I don't want him round me. I don't want him round me. As a God, I don't want him round me. Tajay now give me money for grocery. Tajay now help me pay the bills them. Up here so right now, I have to go camera so kids them come. The whole of we supposed to come together and work and push together. Dragga now do nothing for none of we. He might talk about him pitney like him a blood clot do nothing for him bumbo clot pitney them. You see me? And me and mother we are got through all of that stress yeah. And me find a way how we can come together. Just we talk to him about it. We talk to him about it. All of we sit down and have a meet now we talk. So when gone pan live over there, so come now. I tell people like say me I want wicked blood clots, maddy. The boy they need to lift up and go fry so. The boy they need to lift up and go fry so I make good money right now. Me I make sure say them 2 women you live good. And me I make sure say 2 women them I make blood clot money. You hear me I tell you think Dragga care about them. Dragga go care about him blood clot self. He care about the 2 women them. Hey boy, better you go from your son, you know. That me I tell you, you know, wicked boy, about care about baby mother. You care about blood clot baby mother. Right now, woman, then care about you. Then one another more down, you care about your blood clot baby mother. You better move from your song, boy. You care about your woman, them. It's a blood clot brown in your chat to right now on social media. You see me? It's a brown in your chat to right now on social media. Pussy wall. You don't care nothing about the woman, them. A style you pop because you want the brown in see what go on. You don't want the brown in shoe look. You don't want to look certain way, so you want to come pop some style. You care about none of we? Eh? You care about anything what we are doing? You care about the bills them or anything what we have to do? Man, move from your side, yeah? See my blood clot stomach. Me say all one time we carry the boy one side. And it's the same baby mother not get no lick, you know. You want your boy come downstairs and I come talk about everybody go come down upon me. So then lick me baby mother. A boy wicked, you know, all with the pantage. And he said the girl no lick him baby mother, you know, because Titi would have never lick him baby mother. Titi would have never lick him baby mother. You see me? Titi would have never lick him baby mother. Yo, me go call the other race of girls them. Me no want them with me. Them have to lift up from where me there. Me no want them round me. Me don't want them round me. Me no want them round me. Me no want Dragga round me. Me no want Dragga
Thank you. What happened to you?
Brother, me no want to do this no more with you, no. Me no want to do this no more with you, no. Honestly.
Kids send me will.
No, it's me, you see everything I me depend it. Bills depend me. Everything they depend me. Brother, me no want to do this no more. Me need enough for either putting yourself together and do enough for them. Me no want to do this no more. Me no want to do this. Me no want to do this no more. For what your man do, brother, me never see my son turn up and try to help me in a life, you know. Me never see Tajay turn up and help me in a life, you know. Never, you know. Tajay always against me, you know. And for me and you cool with something and Tajay come with this. You want your man pan in life, I come this up me thing. I diss me. Brother, me tired of my own pity them I put me down. Me tired of my own pity them I put me down when me I try and I push. In every way me can. You understand me? Brother, just me no want to do this no more with you now. You see me?
You not send me away.
Now ask me for nothing. Don't make that boy that come here so I want to leave from my surrounding. God kill me so me no want to around me. I want to lift up and left around me. I don't want him in my surrounding. Go on with him. May I beg you. Go on with him. You see, due to the fact where me, even you, I look at him and I tell him, say, yo, XYZ, and he go up on his life and I deal with me, so. And because he want himself look good, he keep on go up on his life and tell people all these things. Wow. Brother, me no want to do it. Imagine, you look at the man, you say it to him before, and him have an agreement, and when everything come out, he come on his life and make things look so for himself look good. Brother, make him go on. Make him go on. Me no want him around me. Me no want him around me. God kill me, so me no want him around me. Me no want him nowhere around me. Me no have no lighter film. Seem lighter they will drop a ground. Tell TT me call her. Where you do? My daughter them a come.
Yeah.
You guys there with me? Make them go on. God kill me so. God kill me. Let me ask you a question. See TT right so. TT, you never know say you all away not talk about this shit.
Yeah.
Right? And you all away come to one agreement, done?
Yeah. You talk about it.
Right? You licking woman?
No.
And the same thing woman this say you know putting hand for you because you would licking woman.
Why mother do that?
And me say man go up on your life to back foot and me say you want your man a go on. Yo, I'm afraid I got that. I'm a pitney, you know. Left them alone. Sit down out here so. Low them, make them don't go nowhere around them, brother. Brother, this a boy you not help me pay no bills, no nothing this boy not put towards my life. That you not even give me 10 grand in my pocket. You see me? And you all the way there together and we say, brother, boy, work together. And this boy, like, a selfishness make him do it, you know? A selfish make him do it, you know? You know when a man selfish, and from last night, me pick up same selfish because, yo, last night, me see some things and me a preach, and me I say, God, no. And me just look on it and me a smile, and because me I say, you see, God good and in great. So God will always build something for me. Me take care of every blood clot body. Me take care of all of them, food, everything. Me take care of everybody. You tell me say out of all of this, it could have just got me. Like, all of we a team. All of we are one fucking team. When you can't understand in our brain, say, yo, we are one team. But because him a boss off for one browning. Him a boss off for one browning. And he want him browning now see strength at him.
When you say I'm best friend?
When you say I'm best friend, so he want boss off for the browning pan line. He might give this a girl or nothing. Right now, the girl I want a phone. See, TT want a nice rotted phone. TT a nice girl. Thank you, baby. TT a nice girl. TT want a phone. Dragga put money in a TT pocket. Dragga get TT nothing. Eh? Him a look on TT, I get TT nothing. Chanel I get a heartbreak and pain. That's all Chanel I get is heartbreak and pain. Right? And the two of them come together and a work. Only think a Dragga make the two of them come together and work? And me. And me put the two of them head together and say, listen to me, you need to learn to make some money and help on yourself. You understand me? Because one man I got take on for idiot. So here what? Put the feelings there aside and make some money and help on yourself. TT want help, Chanel want help. You really think they would have make TT touch Chanel? Which part in that issue would have make TT put in hand pan Chanel? And TT would have never beat Chanel and put in hand pan Chanel. Thank you, baby. Thank you. But the hype boy, a hype up in skin. See there? He had
He might have a proof to him friend say he not gonna make nobody.
Yeah, he might have it proof to him friend them say he not make nobody touch him baby mother. But did him sleep? The man in baby mother, he lock out him baby mother and sleep in a one room. For prove it to one girl say man in baby mother no day. Yeah. TT, I beg you, I hope you learn some sense, you know. TT, learn, TT, learn. All the Chanel no want to learn, TT, you learn, TT, learn, TT. The make no boy take you for no idiot. When them a use them brains pan, you use back your head pan them. In the business if they want to say you use them for fame, clout or float. No make no man take you for no idiot. Oh, I'm a fool. Make him go on about it, make him lift up and go from here so. And me and mother, I no care. It's my business. You have a two woman them like a two woman them are idiot. A two of them woman them are make money. Eh? You go like you want to stop a woman them sure. Him a go drag Chanel back him because remember say Chanel follow back him anyway. Go. Remember say Chanel in love with him like a puppet, you know. So if he tell Chanel to jump over the balcony there, him and Chanel a go jump over the balcony. Right? So make him take Chanel and go with Chanel. Make TT stay. Make him go on with him. A whole of we supposed to depend with stream and do what we are doing. All of we supposed to depend with stream. That they never supposed to come out and go on so. Even if it's a prank. Afterward, Dragga could have looked on his stream and say, guys, easy on yourself, man. I must prank them around. When you go on his stream and I go on so far, you think that is necessary? That not necessary none at all. Because from him already know, right? And anybody come off